old songs tonight. This song is older than some of the people in the room here. Well, I wrote you a song. Guess you're still on my mind. You probably won't like it. It's one of those sad kind. I was singing on a happy song, but it just wouldn't play. It's funny, I didn't know, still had something to say. But you know how that is, when least expected, when the past pretends to be past and you feel protected. It was just a picture that I keep in my room to remind me what's behind me. Looked at it and I turned away. It's funny, I didn't know, still had something to say. Just cardboard and paper, and all that it shows is a funny little freckle face with a turned up nose. And the smile made me smile till I laughed out loud. I looked at it and I turned away. It's funny, I didn't know, still had something to say. And the smile made me smile till I laughed out loud. The words came pouring out of me, left little doubt, little doubt that I wrote you a song. Guess you're still on my mind. Didn't mean to do it. I thought I'd put you behind. I was writing on a happy song. This one got in the way. That's funny, I didn't know, still had something to say. Yeah, it's funny, I didn't know, still had something to say.